Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your outer headlight marker lamps. They're going to be a 194 amber bulb, and we're actually going to be upgrading them to LED from Auxito. So check the link in the description if you want some LED light bulbs for your car. Auxito's got you covered for all the light applications. Doesn't matter if you're got a 2012 Camry or a Jeep or a Ford or whatever. Their bulbs are very good. We haven't had any issues with them, so the quality is fairly good. That's why we promote them. But so we got this LED here. First things first, we're just going to reach in through here, and there's a gray connector that we're just going to grab a hold of if we can get to it. And we should be able to turn this thing counterclockwise. All right, so the one you're going to want is in a black connector. You just simply turn it counterclockwise, just like the gray one, and pull it straight out. Then you should be able to have just enough room to basically get it into the engine bay. The bulb pulls straight out, and you can see these. This one's actually a clear light bulb. Now, we're going to stick a amber one in there. We do also have white as well. But before we go to put this thing back in, we're going to just turn on the light bulb, or turn on the lights, and just make sure that we have this in the right orientation, because LEDs, they're a diode. Electricity can only pass through them in one direction, so it's possible that we might have it installed backwards and the light might not come on. All right, so we turned it on, the light came on, so we know we've got it in the right direction. Now, the light bulb's supposed to be clear or white if you're going to replace this, but we're just going to try this to see. The amber reflector in the lens actually makes it amber, so I can't see anything I'm doing. I'm just doing it by feel. I know you guys are looking through the fender well. That's another easier way to do it, and now it's more labor intensive. You have to take the wheel off and take the fender liner out in order to get in there, but it does make things easier. Okay, so I think that's in there, right? I can't quite tell. All right, now we're going to turn it on and see what it looks like, and we'll actually compare it to the driver's side just to see how much of a difference it is upgraded to amber. Oh, that one's burned out. All right, so here's the passenger side where we've installed the amber colored 194 LED. You can see it's very amber in color. I actually really like that. I think it looks good. And then this is the, we put the clear LED or white LED in the driver's side, and it's a little more orangey. It's not, or a little more yellowy, I guess I could say, rather than a deeper orange. So both would work. The technical replacement is supposed to be a clear 194 halogen bulb, or LED, you'd want to do white in color. But either would work. Going through taking the fender liner out is actually like a really convenient way to actually get in there and change it, but it's a bunch of extra work. So up to you if you want to just try stuffing your arm through the small hole. If you have big arms, you're probably not going to be able to do it. You might have to get somebody that's got really skinny arms, but that's pretty much how to remove and replace the side marker lights on your 2012 Camry Hybrid and all other regular 2012 Camrys. If you want to know how to change this other bulb that's in here, the turn signal / marker, it's a double filament bulb. We'll probably have another video on that. So if you got any questions though, throw them in the comments. Hopefully this video gave you some insight on how to change the light bulb. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.